Hi everyone, I'm Viviana Lopez and I'm doing my lesson plan on second grade life science. The topic is growing plants. And some essential questions are, how does a plant grow and does a plant need both sunlight and water to grow? The standard is life science: plan and conduct an investigation to determine if plants need sunlight and water to grow. Objectives: have the students grow their very own plants within the classroom environment. The students will be able to recall the stages of how a plant grows and create a poster of how to grow a plant. The students will be able to grow their own plant. Materials needed: a projector, PowerPoint, plant pots, soil, seeds. Spider plant seeds is what I would use. Poster paper, colored pencils, crayons, and markers. For an introduction, I would ask the students various questions such as, do any of you have a garden at home? Do any of you like flowers or trees? Kind of just get them interested in the idea of plants and talk about their responses and different types of plants. For class activities, I would show a PowerPoint about the steps of how to grow a plant and talk about the steps as a class. This will show the students how to grow a plant and emphasize the idea that plants need water and sunlight to grow, and the plants can't grow without one another. I will also show the students a video from YouTube of a plant growing from a seed and talk about how long it took the plant to sprout. This video will be able to show the process of the plant growing from the seed to roots to sprouting, while showing the days that these events occurred. This will allow the students to realize that growing a plant takes time and patience. It doesn't just happen overnight. For growing or planting our own plants, I would kind of help them plant it, handing out the pots and doing the soil portion for them. I would be doing my own plant as well, but putting it in a spot where there is no sunlight so that the students can see what happens to a plant when it only gets water and no sunlight. As a review, I would review the 4 main steps of how to grow a plant, review the 2 important things that a plant needs, which is water and sunlight, and review what might happen if the plant only has water and no sunlight, and vice versa. For the assessment, it would be the next day, and the students will split into groups of 4 and work together to create a poster of the 4 steps of how to grow a plant. The words water and sunlight must be present and underlined on their poster. Each group will then present the steps of how to grow a plant. And the rubric is down here. For accommodations, students who struggle with behavior or focusing, they will be in a group with me, and I will have a pre-drawn poster and pre-written content with blanks to fill in. The students will fill in the word blanks and color the poster. For more advanced students, they can predict what would happen if one of these steps were taken out of growing a plant. For reflection, I was not able to teach this lesson, and that's about it. Thank you for watching my video, and yeah, thank you.